When there's no more hope is left in me, I can see what comes my way.
Hello everyone, welcome to my channel segment Ask Me, and I'll try to answer. Our topic today is how to add videos to watch later. Here are the steps to add video to watch later. Number 1, go to the video you want to watch later. Number 2, press the 3 dots under the video and select Watch Later. Another way to add videos to watch later is: Number 1, go to the video you want to watch later and click Save. Number 2, select Watch Later on the option. These are the videos that I add on Watch Later. So if you are too busy to watch to an interesting video, you can save it to watch later. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and click the bell of notification. See you next video. Bye.